Okay, we're gonna check it with a meat thermometer. I can already see that it's starting to get to medium rare. We're gonna try to get it up to a medium well. Add some balsamic vinegar so that it doesn't dry up, and it should look all jammy like this. So uh, we're gonna put it back in the oven to increase temperature a little bit because it's at 142 and 45, but I say let it go till 175, 180. Let's see. Cover it up for about 20 minutes and the temperature should rise by about 5 degrees. The internal temperature, that is. And there you have it. Tender slices. Very slightly pink. But as you can see, it breaks off with its own weight. Potatoes are nice and caramelized with that balsamic vinegar. The garlic at the bottom is saved for spreading all over the beef. And there it is. Roast beef with caramelized potatoes, balsamic potatoes, garlic, onions, jammy onions, nice and sweet, and the most tender roast beef ever. Make sure to slice it thin if you want to put it in sandwiches, or you could slice it thick if that's how you like it, but most people prefer thin slicing for sandwiches. I cut them to about this much. I don't know what that is, but you know, some of them are like wafer thin, like that right there. So it's really up to you, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Hope you like the video. So have a great day.